What's the meaning of China blue? China blue. China blue.
China blue. China blue. China blue is a term used to describe a specific shade of blue color that was traditionally used in Chinese porcelain. It is a deep and rich blue shade, often associated with the Ming dynasty. The color is achieved through the use of cobalt oxide in the glaze during firing. In contemporary use, China blue has become a popular color choice in fashion and design due to its association with elegance and luxury. Its strong and vivid hue adds a sense of sophistication to any visual composition.